In front of me is Motorola Edge 70, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by launching two apps you wanna use in this view in the background and accessing them. Like that. Now it's time to decide which one you wanna use on the top half of your screen and click on the icon of it at the top. When you see this pop-up, select split screen and then click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wanna go back from this mode, you can either go into background apps and swipe them, or if you wanna keep using one of them, hold this line in the middle and drag one all the way up or all the way down. Then hit home button to close the remaining one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!